Hello everyone, it's OneManOneCamera. Today is January 5th, about 11:30 in the morning, whatever. We're going to North Las Vegas today. I haven't been here for a long time, so let's go and take a nice little bicycle ride across the area. All right, we're starting our journey at Jerry's Nuggets, and we're gonna go as far as, we get close to the flea market, okay? Now I have not been here in quite a while, so I'm wondering how things have changed. All right, let's have some fun. Ouch. Now this is not the best of areas in Las Vegas, and but what are you gonna do, right? I can't change anything. I can't do anything really except ride my little bicycle around town, make a little video, and not kill myself or get killed. All right. So first up, Jerry's Nuggets got a steak and shrimp at $13.89. Friday and Saturday, 11 a.m. to midnight. Hey, you get the Chicas Bonitas. What's this place? Is this a strip club? I don't know. What is this? I don't know. Anyway, we got Easy Pawn. And then you got, what's this called? Palomino. Now, I believe this is a strip club. It says world famous since '69. Now, I never heard of this place until I came here. And as you know, I have been, around this sphere and seen a whole lot of things. All right, let's keep on rolling. The suitcase in my hand. Another pawn shop. I think they may be defunct though, the one to the left. Bargain Pawn, they're probably closed. Now North Las Vegas, well this North Las Vegas Boulevard, there were a lot of small little flat style motels. Here is the Knotty Pine, whoa. Interesting. And of course, is Walgreens, CVS. No, that's a beauty shop, a beauty supply house. Sorry. Oh well, my fault. And it's a nice day out here. Not very hot. It is kind of cool, but if you're moving, you feel all right. And my only thing about cold weather is that my ears, if it's windy, just go berserk and hurt like a son of a gun. All right. We're at Lake Mead and North Las Vegas Boulevard. Now, one thing I do like about Las Vegas Boulevard is that it is relatively flat. So, a lazy day, you just ride around and just, nothing going on. Now I gotta look to the right. There's a car coming. Let me keep on zipping. All right. There's a Burger King in the distance. Now they are trying to revitalize this area. And one of the first things that came up, I know there is a movie theater just down and to the left. It's like they wanted to spur investment in this area. Now, will that happen? I don't know, okay? It's a tough call. The pioneer who goes somewhere first may not survive, but the ones who follow could perhaps make it big, or make something more of it. And there's canopy for your green stuff that you enjoy. There you go, Maya Cinemas, off there to the left in the distance. Hope you can see it. All right, let's push. Now, in case you're wondering, I'm using a new camera. I purchased the Moto G7 for the princely sum of $180 with tax, I think, like that. It's a 2019 model, and my prior phone was a Moto G3, which was a 2015 model. So hopefully, the image looks better. Okay, anyway, this is Maya Cinema. Now, it does not look very busy right now as far as cars. And I am not sure how much foot traffic they get over here. Not much, I believe, I presume. You know, so I should go there one day, but anyway. Over here is the Silver Nugget Casino. All right. Like I said, I do hope, because Maya Cinema, you see, now they should, if this had a nice mall around it, that'd be good, yeah? To help things out. All right. We're crossing City Hall and North Las Vegas. To the left is a supermarket called Smith's. Now that's like, I don't want to call it the local market, I'm not really sure they're from, but there are numerous Smith's supermarkets around the city. We have Smith's, Vons, Albertsons, which pretty much the same thing, right? Vons and Albertsons, that's on the Safeway chain, I believe. And we have some Latin focused or Mexican focused shops called Mariana's, I think. They're around here also. And then there are your local specialty places like Indian or Asian shops also. All right, this is a bus stop, in case you're wondering. Many times they smell bad because people using the bathrooms. Ugh. Here's a Walgreens right here. And here is Civic Center Drive coming up. Hit this light. Now here is the police department and Muni Court. So for those of you bad actors who want to have a little visit over here, this is where you'll be staying. All right. Now here is the Farmer Boy's burger place. I haven't tried it yet, but people say it's tasty, you know? And there's one here, and I think there's one down by the Walmart by the airport, I believe. Ah, look, excitement up ahead. Can you see that? Please stop somebody, I guess. This is a hotel, Casablanca Hotel. And get ahead. Got our boys in blue or gray or beige. Stopping somebody. Huh, boys in blue. Which one? North Las Vegas PD. All right, how you doing? All right. Restaurant right here. These guys get packed right here. It's either Birreria or Las Islitas. Las Islitas. These guys get crowded. Okay. Oh, check it out. What is on the right side? You got karaoke over here, billiards, karaoke, and some booze, and a pretty girl in the picture. All right. Smoke shop, artwork, flower shop, Dole X money transfer. I think mostly Mexico focused. There's a taqueria over there. Never tried it. Get your car washed. Now I heard this place was really tasty. This chicken place right there, if you can see it. Never tried it though. I think it's cash only, is what I read somewhere. But they say it's tasty. They're quiet today. Usually they have a very, very loud music playing, like most places seem to have in Vegas. The Branding Iron Motel. Daily, weekly kings and queens. Hey. It's a leisurely day, you guys. It's very nice. You know, car tires and mufflers, window tinting, Dottie's Casino. Now, Dotty's is a pretty big chain out here of casinos. They're pretty much all over the city. You know, you ride around, you will see one of them within a few minutes all the time. Now, Vegas, one thing that surprises Vegas is that that's a mobile home park. There are numerous mobile home parks out here, and it just surprised the heck out of me. I was riding somewhere, I'm going on there, right? I was riding around somewhere, and I was, hey, that's a trailer park, and another one, and another one. There are many, many, many. It's no big deal, you know. It's just another community out here. Eh? Get your coin laundry. See, another like a mobile home park over there, right? It looks like over there. Coin laundry, lavanderia. Oh yeah, 12 minutes. Must be a long video, you guys. Get your hair cut. Mini markets, I guess. Caniceria, sorry. Beer, wine, and deli. There's the Barker Motel. Hey, get your cars here. Some nice trucks. Chevy, GMC. And the Kia. Hey, Kia. This building over here to the left, it's empty now. That was a Kmart or a super Kmart, and they you know, got their own financial issues or went belly up. So Kmart, a lot of memories there. Dollar General. So we have Dollar General, 99-cent store, and Family Dollar out here. I don't know any other ones. If you have a Daiso, wherever you're located at, Daiso was the big, like somewhat dollar store in Japan, and they had dynamite products, you guys. Really, anyway, so I really enjoyed Daiso. I know there's a Daiso in LA somewhere, and probably New York, but not one in Vegas. Wait, is one in Vegas? No, not one in Vegas. And then La Bonita is also a family, supermarket. How you doing? The Cyclist, hey. So La Bonita is a sort of a Mexican-focused supermarket. Good products there, good prices on meat. Always good prices on meat there. Dollar loan centers are everywhere out here. Everywhere. And then Checkers, burgers and fries, chicken sandwiches, so-so. Rigo's Taco, El Mejor Taco. Then you have the Poker Palace. Get that 16-ounce T-bone steaks for $8.98, baked chicken $8.49, prime rib $5.98. Yeah, what part of the prime rib is that? Hey, right? Is it $5.98? I don't know. Oh, crap. Uh-oh, hang on. Thank you. We're almost done, you guys. See this bridge right here? I'm turning right and heading home. Okay. Now look at those mountains over there. For those of you recall, my little 1-minute video of me running, it was in front of those mountains over there, but not near them, but in front of them. That was a good video. Y'all should watch it. I'll put a link inside here. And what else we got over here? Oh, so also over here, I'll go a little further. There is the Friday from 4 p.m. I believe, and Saturday and Sunday flea market out here called, what's it called? Broad Acres. You know, it is pretty big. I've been there a number of times. You know, they got like junk and some good stuff. I think it's $1 to get in or so. Oh, anyway, this is where I go home. In case you're wondering. The Las Vegas Wash Regional Trail. That's where I get home.